Welcome back, everybody. In this video here, I'm going to show you exactly what our temperature control does. It's not only a temperature control, it's also a defrost timer. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust your temperature. A couple different set points. If you wanted to adjust your temperature controller, let me show you. There's a set button here. Okay, if I try to push these buttons, I don't get anything out of it. And that's kind of a tamper-proof, so people aren't going in the base adjusting their temperatures themselves. What you actually have to do is hold the set button for about 5 seconds. Okay, once it starts blinking, then you can use the arrow up or arrow down. As you can see, if I wanted to set it, say, at 34 degrees, I would set it at 34 degrees, hit set, and I'm good to go. Okay, that's your temperature setting, but there's two more settings that this unit has. It has your defrost setting and your differential setting. And you want to know what your differential setting is. Okay, we just set our temperature controller to 34 degrees. Okay, and now we have to figure out what we want our differential to be. If you want it, your base to stay within 39 and 34 degrees, then what you have to do is set an adjustment of a differential, which is 5 degrees. And let me show you how to do that. Same thing. You don't get anything until you actually hold down the buttons for about 5 seconds. And to adjust your differential, what you do is you want to hold the arrow up and arrow down at the same time for 5 seconds. Okay, what'll pop up now is it'll say P04. Okay, and then you hit your arrow up, your arrow down. Okay, and what did we say? We had it at 34 and we wanted it to shut off at 39. Okay, so that's a 5 degree differential. Okay, we're there, so you hit set again. And now what you get is you get your defrost setting. And we have 3 different defrost settings. We have defrost 1, defrost 2, and defrost 3. Since this is like a back bar unit, we don't need to have a lot of defrost. I'm gonna set it on defrost number 1. Okay, you hit set, and you're good to go. The defrost 1, what it actually does is it'll give you 2 15-minute defrost within a 24-hour period. And the way it spaces it out is it'll do a defrost every 12 hours. Okay. Defrost number 2 gives you a little bit more defrost. If you need a little bit more, it'll actually give you 4 defrost settings in a 24-hour period, which equal a defrost every 6 hours. Okay. And then the last defrost that we have set up is defrost number 3. That'll give you even more defrost. What it does is it'll give you a defrost every 4 hours, which means you're going to get a total of 6 15-minute defrosts within a 24-hour period. But the great thing about our coil is, and our temperature controller, is if you want a unit to be programmed to your specifications, you can let us know what your specifications are, and we can adjust those defrosts. So say you want your units to have a 20-minute defrost or a 5-minute defrost 10 times a day. If you let us know what you want, we could actually have this unit programmed, and it's really simple. All you got to do is download the program off the manufacturer's website, and it actually has a drive adapter. You can plug it right into your controller, and you're good to go. You can set it however you want to.